He broke his silence on the Ishrat files yesterday and said only editorial changes were made in the second affidavit draft. Today, former Home Minister P. Chidambaram has said on Twitter, and this is what he says, why is the draft affidavit in the Ishrat Jahan case vetted by the AG missing? It will show who drafted it, who vetted it, and who approved it. Now, I have my colleague Prema Sridevi on the phone line. She's been tracking this case right from the beginning very closely. Prema, this is the latest that we are breaking to our viewers, Chidambaram's latest statement on Twitter. Now, the man in the eye of a storm, who's clearly in the dock, is raising questions. Now, how do you read this? What is he alluding to? What is he hinting at? Because this sounds like an insinuation.
Well, if you see, Chidambaram has said that why is the draft affidavit in the Ishrat Jahan case vetted by AG missing, and it will show who drafted it, who vetted it, and who approved it. Now,
yes.
Mr. P. Chidambaram suddenly seems to be really concerned about the draft of the second affidavit. Now, the question is, everybody knows who drafted it, everybody knows who vetted it, the AG vetted it. It's not something that people don't know. The real question is, if Chidambaram was so concerned about the draft affidavit, what did he really do to the draft affidavit? Because this draft affidavit was vetted by the AG, it went to the Home Secretary, it went to his desk, but when this draft affidavit came to his desk, he did not approve it. Why did P. Chidambaram not approve it, and why did he decide to amend it on his own without sending it, without getting an approval from the AG, without getting an approval from the Home Secretary? Why did the then Union Home Minister decide to amend the second affidavit on his own? These are some serious questions which the then Home Minister, Mr. P. Chidambaram, really needs to answer.
जब कभी कोई एफिडेविट फाइल होता है, कुछ कमियां रह जाती हैं, तो एक जिसे कहा जाता है काउंटर एफिडेविट और आता है, एक सप्लीमेंट्री एफिडेविट और आता है, जिससे कानूनी जो कमियां रह जाएं उन्हें पूरा किया जाए। और मंत्री के रूप में चिदम्बरम जी अगर इस बात को कह रहे हैं तो उसे अविश्वास करने का कोई कारण नहीं है। और दो अदालतों का फैसला चिदम्बरम साहब जो कह रहे हैं उसके पक्ष में है, और भाजपा अपने नेता पर लगे दाग को मिटाने के लिए जो कह रही है, न्यायालय उसको उन तथ्यों को समर्थन नहीं करते, न्यायालय के फैसले उसके खिलाफ है।